Hi, I'm Ankita Dey from Cosmonaut Technologies. We are into website development and mobile application development, and we are here in Tops Technologies today to hire some good candidates. It was a very great experience with Tops Technologies. Today in Tops, there are 50 plus companies who are attending this, and there are so many candidates. We are interviewing them, and it is a very good pleasure to have them. What I feel is all the students who are coming are very capable of doing and joining companies. They are very good. And if I talk about this today's event, it is a very good event, and I would definitely like to connect with Tops Technologies again for such events because it's very rare in today's technologies to see people who are coming and giving the interviews and they are too much interested. So it is very good. In the end, I would like to definitely say thank you, Tops Technologies, for giving me this opportunity to have hire good candidates for my organization. Thank you so much.